Ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya Assembly Committee of Empowerment for Women, ka kong amperin lingdo, kalayatu banakaliang ka social welfare, kan ay jing yarap sanlak tingka ya ka LONGÍNG jong ki arngut ki HEPRIT, ki bala SHA PYNIAP halau jong ukpa ha ka laipui terik jemang arjar arpuar, ha ka shinong nong ra. Habakran syakilat pathai kubor, ka kong amperin kalayatu banakaliang katanat social welfare, kala pentip bakan ay sanlak tingka ya ka LONGÍNG, bat kane kan long ban yarap yaki bakin la ban yale ya kam mokot duma persya ya unong peniap yaki neki HEPRIT knang bakin neki HEPRIT kin yo ya ka jing bishar hong shu kala yathu ru bana kaliang ka komiti kala dep ban patha yaki ar teli ki commission ban penbiang yaki kaipot halor ka jing keno badon ka jing listing na kaliang ka tanat pulen ha ka bayadei bat ka jing sha peniap yaki arngut ki HEPRIT ha ka miet jong ka laipoi terik jemang arjar arpuar.
Police, the crime would have been avoided.
Sorry?
You think that if police had acted on the Domestic Violence Act, the crime of killing of children should have been avoided?
It is a fact that what if this was done? But just because it was not done, or whether or not it was done, is to be investigated upon. But henceforth, these cases need to be taken seriously. I'm assured now, in my personal experience, that out of 10 complaints on domestic violence in any police station, unlikely that 1 or even 2 will be taken up. Now we need to verify this with facts. We cannot presume, because this is a big allegation you're making against the police force in the state of Meghalaya. And we are not in a position to make those accusations at anyone until and unless the commissions do their diligence and make sure that they get these informations, prepare a report, and we will review the report by these 2 commissions in a later date.
But why the victim mother has not been called? Secondly, they should not wait for 24 hours for missing cases to be registered.
We have talked about these 2 important dimensions of this case. And we have expressed as a committee our concern to the police authority that these apparent lapses should be verified. Was there a lapse? It is to be verified by the Empowerment Committee. The Women Commission and the Child Protection Right Commission. They will sit with the police and they will go step by step through all of those perceived understanding of what likely happened or didn't happen. But this is a big learning that domestic violence under no circumstances should be brushed away under the carpet on a perceived notion that everything was all right between the couple, which led to the murder of these 2 young victims.
Do you think that
some kind of action for this erring police personnel who were not taken action on the basis of the FIR filed or the complaint by the murder?
I repeat again, the Empowerment of Women Committee of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is a committee that will guide all authorized commissions and the police department operating in the state of Meghalaya. We have sent a message clearly to them that they must immediately sit to trace out any lapse and to consolidate with facts so that whatever action that is deemed fit by these commissions who have the authority to do that gets done and action is taken. We are not a committee that has the authority or the teeth to take those kinds of actions. But the Commission for Women, the Commission for the Protection of Child Rights are legal entities, and we have, through this interaction today, guided them to immediately take all facts into account, and once the report is filed to us, then we may be privy to whatever lapses, omissions or commissions that had occurred, and even if they did occur, substantial backup of facts should be able to guide the committee on taking further action.
Any indication of what can you see of how was the progress of the investigation of whether
We, as per the briefings given to us in the deposition of today's meeting with the authorities, we are hopeful that not much time will be lost. However, we will follow up. We are not privy to the investigating details because we are not an authority that can have those details with us, and nor is the police required to give us those details. However, the two commissions operating in the state of Meghalaya are empowered as per law. So we must ensure that we push for the closure of this case with a coordinated effort between the police, the two commissions, and the Committee on Empowerment of Women of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.